Google just dropped something absolutely wild. NotebookLM and Gemini now work together, and it's about to change how you do SEO forever. No more hallucinations, no more generic AI garbage, just real content that actually ranks. Let me show you exactly how this works. Google just updated NotebookLM, and they connected it directly to Gemini. This is the biggest SEO hack I've seen in months. Because here's the problem with AI content right now. It hallucinates, it makes stuff up, it sounds generic, and Google can spot it from a mile away. But this new integration solves all of that. Because NotebookLM pulls from real web sources, it grounds everything in actual research, and then Gemini turns that research into content that ranks. No fluff, no fake stats, no made-up case studies, just real SEO content backed by real sources. Let me show you the 5-step process. Step 1, go to notebooklm.google.com. Create a new notebook. I'm calling mine AI Profit Boardroom Research because we're going to use this to create content for our AI automation community. Step 2, click Discover Sources. This is where the magic happens. NotebookLM automatically pulls relevant articles, case studies, and research from the web. You just type in your keyword. Let's say AI automation for businesses. It takes about 10 seconds. And boom, you've got 20 high-quality sources, all organized, all ready to use. Step 3, tag everything. I'm tagging sources by topic, by keyword, by intent. This keeps everything organized, and it helps Gemini understand exactly what you're working with. Highlight the key facts, the stats, the quotes, everything you want to use later. Step 4, open Gemini. Go to gemini.google.com, click the plus button, import your NotebookLM notebook. Now Gemini has access to all your research, all your sources, all your tags, everything. Step 5, prompt Gemini. Here's where you create your content. You say, create an SEO optimized blog outline using my notebook. Include H1, H2, H3 headers, add a meta description, target the keyword AI automation benefits, and Gemini spits out a complete outline backed by your sources, grounded in real research. No hallucinations. Now here's why this matters for SEO. Google loves something called EEAT, experience, expertise, authoritativeness, trustworthiness. And when your content is backed by real sources, you hit all 4. You're not just making claims, you're citing research, you're linking to case studies, you're building trust. And one more thing, if you're creating all this content with NotebookLM but nobody is finding it online, you've got a traffic problem. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more customers, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Check the link in the comments and description to order AICO online and let us handle your backlinks while you focus on growing your business. Now let me show you a real example. I use this exact process to create a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Our AI automation community, I went into NotebookLM, I pulled sources on AI automation benefits, business growth, community value. I tagged everything. Then I imported it into Gemini and I said, generate a high converting landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Focus on the value of AI automation. Explain how our community helps businesses get more customers, more leads, more traffic, include features, benefits, a strong call to action. Gemini created a complete landing page with headers, copy, internal links, everything, all grounded in my research. And here's the crazy part. I tested this against content I made with ChatGPT. The NotebookLM version ranked number 48 in 2 weeks. The ChatGPT version didn't even hit the top 100. Why? Because NotebookLM content is grounded. It's not generic AI spam. It's built on real sources, and Google can tell the difference. Now let's talk about what else you can do with this. You can create blog outlines. You can generate keyword research. You can build landing pages. You can even create slide decks for pitches, all from the same research. Here's a prompt template for blog outlines. Using my notebook, create an SEO outline for AI automation tools. Include H1, H2, H3 headers. Add a meta description under 160 characters. Pull target keywords from the sources. Boom, done. Here's one for landing pages. Generate a high converting landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Use the notebook to highlight features, benefits, and value. Include a clear call to action. Add internal links where relevant. And here's one for keyword research. From my notebook sources, extract the top searcher questions. Identify search intent. Give me 4 supporting keywords. You can copy these prompts. You can tweak them. You can use them for any niche. Now here's a pro tip. Use the tagging feature to organize everything by campaign. Let's say you're working on 3 different content pieces. Tag your sources by campaign name. That way, when you import into Gemini, you can tell it exactly which sources to pull from. Super powerful for teams. Another tip, use the Discover Sources feature to stay updated. SEO changes fast. Google updates all the time. So once a month, I go back into NotebookLM, I run Discover Sources again, I pull fresh articles, fresh case studies, and I update my notebook. That way my content stays current and my rankings stay strong. Now let's talk about the tech behind this. NotebookLM now runs on Gemini 3. That means faster processing. It means multimodal support. You can upload images, you can upload videos, and it can analyze all of it. So if you're doing video SEO, you can upload your video, NotebookLM will analyze it, pull out the key points, and Gemini will turn that into a blog post or a landing page, all grounded in your actual video content. No more writing descriptions from scratch. Here's another use case. Let's say you want to create an SEO quiz for the AI Profit Boardroom. You go into NotebookLM, you pull sources on AI automation, business growth, community benefits, you tag everything by topic, then you tell Gemini, create a 10-question quiz using my notebook, focus on testing knowledge of AI automation benefits, include an answer key, boom, done. You've got a quiz that educates your audience, and it's all backed by real research. Now I want to show you one more thing. You can use this for A/B testing headlines. Let's say you're writing a blog post. You're not sure which headline will perform better. You go into Gemini, you say, using my notebook, generate 5 headline variations for this blog post, focus on click-through rate, target the keyword AI automation for small businesses. Gemini gives you 5 options, all grounded in your research, all optimized for SEO. You test them, you see which one performs, you scale what works. Now here's the big picture. This integration is a game changer for content production. Before you had to manually research, pull quotes, fact check, organize everything. Then you had to write, then you had to optimize for SEO. It took hours, now it takes minutes. You pull your sources in NotebookLM, you import into Gemini, you prompt, and you're done. You're scaling content production without sacrificing quality, and you're doing it all with verified sources. So Google trusts your content, your audience trusts your content, and you rank higher. Let me give you the exact resources. NotebookLM is free at notebooklm.google.com. Gemini is free at gemini.google.com. Now let me talk about one more advanced strategy. You can use NotebookLM to analyze competitor content. Let's say you want to outrank someone. You go into NotebookLM, you paste their URL as a source, NotebookLM pulls their content, you analyze it, you see what keywords they're targeting, you see what structure they're using, you see what sources they're citing, then you import into Gemini and you say, create a better version of this content, add more depth, add more sources, optimize for my keyword. Boom, you've just reverse engineered their strategy and you've created something better. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Now here's what I want you to do next. Go to notebooklm.google.com right now. Create your first notebook. Use Discover Sources to pull research on your topic. Then import it into Gemini and create your first piece of grounded SEO content. Test it, track your rankings, and watch what happens, because this is the future of SEO. AI that's grounded in real research, content that ranks because it's trustworthy, and a workflow that saves you hours every single week. If you want to rank #1, get more customers, and actually win with AI SEO, this is your next move. We're not talking theory or recycled tips. This is the exact system we're using right now. Real workflows, weekly live support, clear action steps you can actually follow. If you're serious about scaling with SEO and AI, join the SEO Elite Circle. That's where we break things down live, fix real problems, and help you move faster with zero guesswork. Hit the link in the description. Join the SEO Elite Circle today. That's it for today. Go make it happen. I'll see you in the next one.